If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Binance, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the transaction is halted before it completes. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Open the Binance website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Orders section. Once logged in, find the Orders tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your active orders and transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In the Orders section, look for the list of your pending transactions. Identify the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction status. Step 5. Click on Cancel. Look for the Cancel button or option associated with the pending transaction. Click it to initiate the cancellation process and confirm your choice if prompted. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction on Binance before it completes. Always ensure to check your order status after cancellation to confirm it has been processed.